How to fix Snapchat not sending messages. Firstly, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then remove the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Or you can even try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now navigate to the Snapchat app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner. In your app info, scroll down and select storage. Inside storage, click on clear cache at the bottom right corner. Now go back to your home page. Go to your App Store or Play Store. Go to the search section and type in Snapchat. Now look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, then make sure to update the app. Updating your app regularly can fix minor bugs. Now give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, check if the problem has been fixed or not. If it hasn't been fixed yet, then uninstall your Snapchat app. After uninstalling, reinstall it from App Store or Play Store. That's all for today. Thank you.